Huh.
Saw this at.
Did you know that you can't spell peanut butter?
You kinda.
I'm
She didn't send it once.
My.
Fuck. Sorry. Oh, sorry, it's sad. Oh, fuck me! No, fuck. Sorry.
Have you heard?
Oh my god.
Lisa Kudrow made it very clear.
You kinda.
Do I have an empty slot for a glass emote now?
What? Can't do anything.
Slash new daily dose of internet. Glad to see the womp womp text going to a good.
Fuck me.
Now said.
Now shine brave.
Yeah. Oh fuck. Okay. Fuck.
Spoke that adorable plump muffin.
Oh fuck. Fuck. Actually,
Fly shy roll shy roll.
What do I do with that?
fuck. I found the map. Why? Yes. Fuck. Fuck. Creamlet.
I'm here for. Who cares about?
Fuck. That must have. Fuck.
Lily first time buying bits, but
Oh boy. Fuck. 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 Fuck, man.
15 months content for being awesome.
Oh no. Then
It's nice to see, but not too much.
sorry.
He helped us with the second one too.
The last manager. The lost.
Close one.
Sorry. Good.
Lily, did you enjoy?